This operation commenced with a tanker which the driver claimed that he tried to avoid some tourist taxi. He lost control, he banged into a pole and fell on its side, causing massive leakage of ammonia gas. The tanker was carrying 15 tons of ammonia, liquid ammonia. So it started to leak. Immediately the officials from Zuari contacted the police, the collectorate and the fire services. The Talati was here in within 10 minutes. Fire service is already there, trying to douse the fume by spraying water. They have done a good job so far. There were about 15 tenders in all. They have controlled it. There were no casualties at all. 4 schools which are there have been asked to shut down for today at least. And only one person who was affected, Mrs. Bandari, was admitted to Cottage Hospital and thereafter the SMRC, and she's stable now.
हांव थंय आमदार काम करतालो फीज कॅनिकडे तेन्ना ते गाडी येयली मरे आनी एक हणको आसलो हणक्यान ती गाडी पयली पाटो तुडलो सायड आनी आमच्या मुखारच पडली तेच्या उपरांत आमी फोन मारलो
आणि वास येवपाक लागलो
वाज येवपाक आमी गांवान येयला सगळे येयल्या ड्रायव्हर आनी एकट्या कोणाक मातसो मार लागलो तेका
टँकर पडला तर खबर ना कितें जालो तें आमकां हॉस्पिटलान एवॅक्युएट कर म्हटल्यार
वास सफोकेट जाता
सफोकेट जाता सामकें घेवंक जायना.
It happened around 2:45 in the night. We got an information. My team came in 10-15 minutes. The fire tenders from Goa State, MPT and our own were there. The first effort was to try to evacuate all the people around, which we did successfully. The key areas which were there, dispatched in the backside, which were there, which were evacuated. And then we started containing it by putting water. So as we kept on putting water, the ammonia contained itself, and after around 4 hours, around 7:38, we have been able to straighten the tanker. Now the leakage has been identified and MCL has been put. No, the normal areas where it can possibly leak, we are in good condition. Nothing has happened because that is where we can expect. Turning of bodies is actually an accident. So it is an accident because the way it has toppled, nobody has seen it.